Okay, first of all, we have a little activity for the warm-up. And for this activity, you have to look closely at these two images, and then we're going to answer these three questions. So, first of all, what do you think she's going to do? Okay, what is she doing at the moment? Sorry?
Maleta.
Oh, maleta is case? It could be case. So she's packing. She's packing her case. So what is she going to do then? She's going to travel. And then we have this one, that it's a man. What is he doing?
He's cooking.
He's cooking. Okay. So what do you think that each other's plan is? Let's say she's packing her case, so she's going to travel. What do you think she's going to do there? You've never been to vacations? What do you do when you're in vacations? Come on, just one thing that you do when you're in vacation. No one? Okay. Let's say that she's going to eat something, arriving to the airport. Maybe she's going to have a little drink at the hotel. There are a lot of things that you can do when you travel. And then, what do you think that is his plan? If he is cooking, what is he going to do?
Or he will eat.
He's going to eat, okay. Okay, then let's start with the class. As I told you, we're going to talk about going to versus progressive, the differences in them. So, first of all, we have the structure. We have going to is be going to plus the verb, okay? So, the structure comes in the form as am, is, are, depending on the pronouns, okay? And plus going to plus base verb. And then we have an example of how is this going to look if you get messed up with just this. So we have the use. For this, going to, it is intention or decision before speaking. So how does this work? Let's say I'm thinking about going to have breakfast after this class. So before saying anything, I'm thinking I'm going to eat just a croissant. I'm going to eat just a croissant. So I'm going to eat. That is the base verb, a croissant. Okay, so here it is the example. I'm going to study medicine. So that is the pronouns. Going to, as we saw, and study is the base verb. Okay? Then we have present progressive. That this form is, as we saw, the pronouns, then verb in. We already saw this in a lot of times before, the verb in, And the use is an arrangement. That is a fixed plan or a schedule, okay? So for this one, let's say that I have to go to class tomorrow. So I will say I'm coming to class tomorrow, okay? So it is something that you already have to do. It's like a must, okay? We already talked about must. So this is a must. This is something that you cannot skip. This is not something like this that you could say, oh, I'm going to eat just a little croissant, but then you go there and you ask for a sandwich. No, this is something that you have to do. And the example is, I'm meeting my boss tomorrow. And as you can see, we have the pronouns am is are, am, and then the verb in, meeting. And that's it. That's all you have to do for this one. And then we have a little example of a conversation for this. Can you read this? Do you understand it?
Yes.
Okay, let's start with this one. All in unison. 1, 2, 3.
What are you doing tonight?
Again.
What are you doing tonight?
What are you doing tonight? Okay. So then this one.
I'm having dinner with my parents.
Again.
I'm having dinner with my parents.
And the last one.
Good. I'm going to watch a movie by myself.
Again.
Good. I'm gonna watch a movie by
To
myself.
myself. Okay. And for this one, what do you think it is? Be going to or present progressive? I'm having. Present progressive. And this one? Going to. This is quite an easy topic. Then we have a little activity that is put the correct answer where it belongs. And here are the answers. Can you see them? Okay. So, do you remember what arrangement was? What arrangement was?
Arrangement was use.
Okay, intention. Someone said that this was progressive, right? Okay, so arrangement, progressive, and intention, going to. So for this one, you just have to check the phrases, the sentences, and see which is which. So you just come to the front and take one of this paper and put it right at the bottom or where you want, but that it has to do with the phrases. Do you understand? Okay, so some volunteer? Okay. Yes, so remember the forms, okay? Remember the structures. That is what is going to give you the answer. So, the second one? Some volunteer? Pass to the front and put it here. Okay, correct. So we have two left. I forgot to do this one, but let's see that later. We have these two. So with these two, you already have the answer for the next three. Because remember, visiting, going to. So the next one, any volunteer? Now it is way more easier. Okay. Then this one, kind of the last one. The last with the paper, so any volunteers? Okay, thank you. And so this one, they're flying to London at 8 p.m., 8 a.m. What do you think it is? Arrangement. Okay, correct. So let's read out loud. First one, 1, 2, 3.
I'm visiting my aunt on Friday.
Again?
I'm visiting my aunt on Friday.
Okay. This one is visiting.
Visiting.
Not visiting. It's visiting
Visiting.
my aunt on Friday.
Right.
Friday. So again?
I'm visiting my aunt on Friday.
Okay. Then the next one, 1, 2, 3.
We're
Going
going
to buy
to
an TV.
Okay. Again?
We're going to buy a new TV.
Okay. This one is buy.
Bye.
Kind of like an buy, something like that. Okay, now again,
We're going to buy a new TV.
again.
We're going to buy a new TV.
Okay, that's nice. Then the 3 1, 1, 2, 3.
She's meeting her boss tomorrow morning.
Nice. And then 4 1, 2, 3.
I'm gonna learn French this year.
Learn.
Learn.
Okay, again.
I'm going to learn French this year.
And the last one.
They're flying to London at 8 a.m.
Okay, correct. Then we're going to do another small activity. Okay, for this one, I'm going to pass you just this small worksheet and you're going to do 2 sentences. One is an arrangement phrase and the other is intention phrase with the things that we already saw. So I'm going to pass it to you, you're going to do your phrases, and then I'm going to ask 2 people to write in the board their phrases, okay?
Okay.
If you have any questions, any doubts, you can ask me and I will go to you. Did anyone finish? Raise your hand if you already finished, please. Okay. Someone wants to pass the board? Or should I pick one? Okay. First her, then you. Okay, can you read them for everyone?
I'm meeting my friends after class, and I'm going to eat a cake in the afternoon.
Okay, correct. And then the others? Can you read them?
I am going to do reports at the board. I am visiting the doctor tomorrow.
Okay, thank you. So for this one, all is correct except that it is at work. That's just it. Is everything clear? Do you finish your phrases?
Yeah.
Okay. Then let's go for the another activity. And I think this is the last one. I'm pretty sure that this is the last activity. So for this last activity, you have to complete the phrases with these little cards that are here. So as you can see, there is already a cue word. So it's going to be pretty easy since the cue word is also in the cards. So just for any volunteer, or do I pick one? Okay. Okay. And the last one. It's already answered. So someone, can you come and do it? Okay, so now let's read them out loud just one time. So the first one, 1, 2, 3.
I'm meeting my cousins for lunch tomorrow.
Okay. The second one.
She's going to start a new English course next month.
The third one.
We're having a party on Saturday night.
Okay. And last one.
They're gonna buy a new
Okay. Well, that's it for the class, and thank you.